Good day, guys. Today I was willing to show you my pound SGD trade. This is a complete economic divergence. As you can see, it happened last week. It happened. We were around here waiting for a turnaround. We had what they call the head and shoulders. So we're looking for the market to fail to break this low and break the previous high, which is here, and continue higher. So I failed to enter the market here. So what I did, I waited for the market to. I drew this. Normally, when I draw this, I place the fib not on the previous highs. I place it on where the market rejected before it fails to break the previous, before it fails to break this previous low. So I place the 50% fib here so that I can anticipate the 23.6 fib. So this is the bottom of the fib, and this is the first 23.6 is right here, 23.6. So the reason why we are confused is because I have two fibs overlapping on the screen. So this is because I failed to catch the market here. I had to try to catch it here, which I did. Unfortunately, when the market reversed here, it stopped me out. Even though I was expecting the market to drop to this level, I forgot my stop losses here. So when my stop loss was too high, so it stopped me out. And I tried to re-enter the market here, it stopped me out again. So it was a failed trade. Either way, it was the reason why I quit trying to trade this, trying to take another trade is because of the spread. The pound SGD has a huge spread. So even though this trade will take more than a month, because normally the trades that I take, they take a month and above. It can even take 3 months moving in the same direction. So because I'm in a carry trade, I normally take my trades over a period of a month or even 3 months. So this trade will continue moving higher, especially because it's a complete economic divergence. Normally, when we trade an economic divergence, especially when it's the euro AUD, in any trade that in any currency that has the AUD or the NZD in it, normally because of strong pullbacks made by the AUD, whether it's the Euro UAD or the AUD, USD, or the Pound AUD. Normally, the pullbacks are beautiful and it becomes easier to use the feed. But when the economic divergence is completely, how do I say it, if it's completely wide, you end up with a situation where the market does not want to pull back to the trend lines. Once you get one test of the trend line, the market flies away. It will never come back to the trend line. So that's why most of the time we miss our trades. But here, when I want to enter the market here, I moved my stop loss too high. And when it broke here, and this is the following week, this is this week actually, and this is last week, this is the previous week. So when it broke out with this move, it actually stopped me out. And now we are moving higher, but I was stopped out of the trade, so I left it, but it will continue to move higher. You can use another 50% fib. You can look for another 50% fib up there in this trade. You can aim higher like this and say Let me remove this feed. Let me remove this feed. You can aim for this this 50% feed and say, okay, if it rejects this, it might come back to the 25.6 and move higher. So you can always try to enter the market again. But because of the spread, when I trade the pound SGD, because of the spread, I normally leave the trade in case I fail to enter the market twice. I don't allow myself to. The last trade that I took last year, I think it was in September, that trade was the Euro TRY, the Euro Turkish lira. Because of the spread, I entered the market twice and I quit the trade, but the trade ended up hitting my take profit le- take profit levels. Well, even when I quit the trade, I monitor the progress of the trade because this is an economic divergence, and normally the market gets to hit my take profits level. Let's say my take profit level was up here. What's this guy doing? Normally, my take profit level is up here. Even though I exited the trade, I would monitor the progress of the trade and what the trade will be doing. Thank you guys. We're looking forward to recording another trade. Goodbye.